Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Mount Vernon, local and long distance movers near me. Even though your relocation is inside the same state, a long distance move is defined as more than 50 miles away. We have insurance packages in place because we care about our customers and their belongings. The insurance policy covers the hazards of moving and relocating. Our crew includes the most devoted and dependable movers and drivers to ensure that your goods arrive in excellent condition. You don't have to worry about us overcharging you because our services are affordable. A local move is frequently less expensive than a long distance move, and our charges at 3 Movers are kept moderate and affordable. Depending on the distance and a few other considerations, we charge between $30 to $40 per hour. Our committed local movers will ensure that their services meet your expectations and that they listen to your suggestions and requests. We are already worked with large cities and congested areas, so we know how to transport your belongings without causing any problems. We have the best team of local movers who are available and ready to assist you with your relocation needs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Mount Vernon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.